Tonight we're having baked burritos, which is one of my go-to meals. It comes together in about 15 minutes, and then I'm just gonna bake it for however long it takes them to get home. I have 1 pound of ground beef here. You could use ground turkey, ground pork, whatever you prefer, with 1 packet of taco seasoning. And I did let that continue to cook with the seasoning in it for a little while. It just helps really distribute the flavor. It's all those spices nice and woken up. Mixing in 1 can of beans. Sometimes we'll do red kidney beans in this instead of black beans. And I will try to smash some of those up. I've done these with refried beans. Just include some beans. Extra fiber opportunity here. Spray my 9x13 dish. I call these baked burritos because we use flour tortillas. I know you're gonna think it's gonna get really mushy, but it just absorbs all of the sauce and it gets really good. Day 2 of these is way better than day 1. I really like the Guerrero tortillas. I'll probably make about 6, so I don't put a ton of meat in this. About like that. Then just roll it and put it seam side down into your pan. The beans, 1, really help bulk this up, and 2, fiber. It's 2026. We are maximizing our fiber. Last year we maximized our protein, and now we're just trying to even that out a little bit. Video cut off somewhere there, and then I was on the phone, so I got the rest of these put together. I have a video out there somewhere in existence of me making homemade enchilada sauce, which I really do like. It's my mother-in-law's recipe. It's wonderful stuff. Tonight we're just gonna use a can. Enchilada sauce is really easy to make, but this is a weeknight hack. 1 whole giant can. Okay, so I changed my mind. Let's take a little bit of this out of here. I'm gonna do like 20 ounces or so. I like to add sour cream. Is that about a cup of sour cream? Whisk this together. You have to try it with sour cream. I know there are people out there that are gonna think this sounds totally gross. You have to do it, just trust me. My roommate in college made a white chicken enchilada and I liked it, but I like enchilada sauce, not just the white cream sauce. Done it this way ever since. Pour this over the top. Bake this uncovered for about 12 minutes and then we'll add cheese right at the end at 400 degrees. I think I told you guys 12 minutes. I left them in for 14 minutes because I had enough time. I'm gonna add a little cheese here. Take note, I freshly grated this cheese. Back to the oven, just until things are nice and bubbly, maybe 5 more minutes. I'm also taking 1 more weeknight shortcut, which is using microwave rice tonight instead of making my own Spanish rice. This is Somos Mexican street corn white rice. I've never tried it before, so we're gonna try it together. 90 seconds in the microwave sounds pretty good to me. These are done. I did hit broil just for the last maybe like minute. Didn't want to burn them, but look how wonderful these look. Let's dish one up and do a quick taste test. They just pulled in the driveway. Hardest part is getting the first one out. What a mess. What a mess. There is a taste in microwave rice that I don't super love, but I think this stuff looks really good. I promise you, don't be afraid of extra sauce. Extra saucy. Listen to him. Let's try this rice. It's really not bad for microwave rice. It's got a little citrus to it. Thanks for sticking around. Have a great night.
I thought we didn't eat processed foods.
We're eating processed foods tonight.
Oh no!
The tortillas are processed.
Oh,
There's a lot of sausage processed.
You didn't go grind the corn and make the flour and make fresh tortillas.
Honey, flour doesn't come from corn.
Or sorry, wheat. They're not corn tortillas, I'm sorry. They're flour tortillas. I was thinking corn tortillas.
No, and we microwaved rice.
Surprised you didn't grow it.